centuries.
We're off to the farm, hooray, hooray! A fun-filled, happy learning day. Hop on the bus, let's roll along. Sing with us, come join our song. Moo, the cows say howdy there. They give us milk, fresh and fair. We watch them munch on grass so sweet, and hear their hooves go clip-clop beat. Cluck, the chickens peck and play, laying eggs in nests of hay. Some are white and some are brown, all around and never frown. Oink, the pigs roll in the mud, wiggling, waggling, splat, thud. With curly tails and snouts so pink, they splash and giggle. What do you think? Sweaters just like that. Nay, the horses gallop fast, through the fields they're running past. We stroke their mane so long and strong, then ride a hay cart, bump along. Farmer Joe waves big and bright, showing us fields in morning light. Carrots, corn, and apples too, fruits and veggies, good for you. The golden wheat sways left and right, shimmering softly in the light. The farmer cuts it, stacks it high, soon it will be warm bread. Oh my! Rows of corn stand tall and neat, with yellow kernels crisp and sweet. We pull the husks and peel them slow, then pop the corn, watch it blow. Apple trees with branches wide, red and green fruits hang with pride. Pick one, shine it, take a bite, crunch so juicy, pure delight. Beneath the soil the carrots hide, orange and bright with leaves so wide. We tug and pull with all our might, up they pop, what a sight! Buzz, buzz, the bees hum near, making honey golden and clear. They dance around from flower to flower, spreading pollen, nature's power. The sunflowers stretch up high, waving gently to the sky. Butterflies flit